y'all already know what it is, man. Back with another mother-loving video. Yeah, man. Today is day 6, man. I want to show y'all the little, Day 6 is a day at sea. We're gonna be on sea all day. Ain't getting off no more till it's time to get off and go home. All right, but today is day 6, day at sea. I'm just gonna take y'all with me as we enjoy these little adventures. We still ain't seen a lot of the boat. Been in a lot of places like the escape room, laser tag, or the ice rink. Hopefully we get y'all some of that footage today. I know for a fact I'm not gonna get y'all none of the laser tag because they booked. Escape room booked too, but I am gonna try to go by and see what's up. Right now we're probably gonna head to the 16th deck. I think that's where the wave runner is. But we about to slide up there real quick, see what my nephew got going on, see if he gonna bust his butt, try to catch him on film if I get there soon enough. Hey man, but you already know, man. Stay tuned, man. We're gonna have some lit action for y'all, and I'll be back when it starts. Oh!
278. Yep. Georgia? It's above Florida, yeah. No, it was an 8-hour drive to get to Florida. Yeah. Okay. No, we actually took a charter bus with our family. Yeah, I think it was like 41 of us. 41. Yeah. Huh? Which one you want, babe? Which one you want? The party? So now we know we're at 42. I mean, it's something you done before. I don't think you would like anything else. That'll be my strong. Have a great one. Thank you, bro. Yeah, it's recording, babe. Look at the octopus. Not yours is dripping, babe. Not the liquid little. It is liquid in there. Okay. Appreciate it, boss. What tastes like? You look like you should have a pineapple drink with the flowers in the hat. Hell no, that food's too crowded. Not even with the food, it's fully closed. Those are two different liquors, one brown, one white. Can make it dark. Switch it around. Dang, we came to the wrong side. Oh, never mind, we got a wind jam, so yeah, we're on the first side. We can just go down to them. I don't drink. I like to drink with Pepsi.
Yeah, you know, I don't know how we get down. We got a whole conference center so we can go ahead and talk. You feel me? Family meeting. You already know what it is, bro. Yep. Yes. Excuse me. I can hear everybody be quiet. I just wanted to see if it worked real quick. Appreciate y'all. Hey, how you doing? Only I can do this. Who? Hey, man. Amen. 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 Yes, I will, but I don't think y'all want to go where I'm going. Sint, do you need the mic so you can? All right, let me bring it to you then. Because you ain't know this was over here. Sometimes you just got to look around.
But everyone,
You forgot to say testing.
testing. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now, has anyone
Got a spoon game going. What y'all playing over there, my big wiz? Y'all playing big wiz, man?
That's right, Dr. Jean. Come on, watch
Big
this
wiz.
one thing.
Spade gang going.
You just be at your hand, and then you pick the trunk.
Oh, well then I played that before. I just
And
didn't
then,
know
and then they have a kitty in the middle.
I want to play.
You know how to play
Kitty
it.
in the middle. Okay, everybody together. You ready?
Come on now, look, when you're moving too slow now. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Did I break your record?
Huh?
You don't never lose?
I ain't say I never lose. I win the tournament, though. But we definitely lost to y'all 2-0 real quick. We got skunked. I ain't gonna lie about that. Yup. My auntie skunked me, yup. So if I jump off the boat, y'all know why I'm depressed. It was really true. So if they say man overboard, I jumped off. Hey TJ, you just not the best at this one, big dog. It's okay, big dog. Next time, just stand in the chair, you know.
Are we gonna do it like that now? Okay, let's do it like that. Okay, so if you don't get a spoon, you have to get up. So you can get on. Okay. So that's what we do.
Remember what I said, TJ. You distracted, but you saying that don't work. You distracted by the wrong thing.
Yeah, that's why I turned that other thing like kind of face that one. Yeah. Yeah.
It's so you spend essence to these legs.
And you just gotta do what you gotta do. You go around and look at each other.
It's just for YouTube.
Okay.
Day 6 adventures.
All right.
Try this. Told you I'm gonna get
What you? Oh. I was a little confused. You stole the book the first game. I was just.
I did not steal that.
You did. That Ace of Diamonds was mine, but we already lost it. Because I didn't realize it was 2 books
So
later.
2 books later, we was like, we got, huh? She was like, yeah. I said, we was gonna lose anyway. It don't even matter. We only got 4 books. 5 wasn't gonna do nothing. 5 wasn't gonna do nothing. Yeah. See, that's the key though. When I talk junk, that's how y'all know I'm finna lose. When I'm quiet now, because I gotta talk you out your game. I gotta talk you out your game. Now when I'm quiet, they'll be like, oh, he got that wolf stick. Yeah. But when I'm talking, y'all be like, oh, yeah, he got a whole bunch of L.
Keep doing it, please.
I ain't got nothing. Guess what I told you? Well, I am where I am.
I understand.
So guess what? You can't fake that phone.
Yeah, this game look confusing.
You played just like spades.
But you pick your trump.
Yeah,
So who picks the trump?
the one who wins the bid.
So does Joker still stay the same as the trump no matter what the trump suit is?
No,
Unless
no Trump.
okay, because that's foreign language what you just said to me. Oh, yep. Mhm. Oh, okay. Oh, all right then.
All face cards.
So do you like? Is there a certain thing like? Can you just say it to say it? Like if it's your turn?
Yeah, if it's your turn.
Yeah.
If you get that bid, then you can say up. Crank it up. Then you going down. Down is ace 2 3.
Mm-hmm.
Up is ace king queen jack.
Okay.
Couldn't you say that's all? That's bid. 4 set of 4, 3 set of 5 bid. 2 set of
So I'm guessing you lost it, huh? You lost that one.
Why do you all allow them to play together?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Because they don't talk across the board. They just do their thing. They don't talk. They just do their thing. I don't know how they do it.
Right.
So break that shit up.
It's silent signs. Me and Taylor used to do it. It's silent signs. All right, watch the scratching of the nose. Watch the elbow on the table. Now, I'm telling you, watch the elbow. That's how T and Janae used to run lunchroom like that. So they taught us that. You feel me? I don't know what's wrong with their friend. Their friend must. I don't know how they didn't know they were losing.
That's why I stopped playing with y'all ass. I ain't got time for that shit.
Who? I don't play with Taylor enough to have. I don't play with Taylor enough to have fake signs.
They do.
They do. They young. They
Our kids, look at them. They plan and plot because they could never beat us.
Right.
So now we got to get together.
We old now. It's just the time of the game. Y'all can't win forever.
Yeah. You better, hey. Right. What I went uptown, uptown. Jack can't even tell by my hand.
You see, he be lying so much. It's hard to keep track.
Not so much.
You threw out 2 cards.
Oh, it don't matter. They both about the same size. Thank you. My baby love me. My baby love me. Shit, we still out there in the what's it called? I ain't got shit. I told you that.
I thought you had the king and the kid and the kid.
He lied. See? I don't even know what he lied about, but I just don't understand this game.
Oh, Ted.
What can I say? I lied. Keep something, girl. I had to keep something.
No. Who next?
You?
Don't make me go get my wife now. Y'all know what happened last time. Yeah, so I would be don't lucky me because we whoop y'all 3-0. You want to play spades? You want to whoop D2 again?
It's just me and T.
You want to whoop D2? Okay.
Here, T.
I'm gonna be right back, y'all. So day 6 was the second formal night. My family decided to do all white, like a babe. All white look good. Y'all already know me. Drip down to the feet. But let's get these folks in the dining room. Hey man, y'all see it again, man. Back with the my baby's so bad. Oh, stop doing that too much for the camera. Too much for the car. I told she trying to do too much for the tube. Nah, she trying to go vibe. But y'all already know, man. This ain't even what we wore to dinner. But yeah, we dressed down. Boom, bust it down every time. Y'all already know. Oh, we finna go to a little show. What's the show called? Laser show. Crash and burn. We're gonna keep y'all with us. We're gonna keep y'all updated. Y'all be good. animal for the day is a snake. Snake. Cool snake with a glass on. That's him right now. He rap the snake. And the tail rap. And he rap. Bomb! And just like that, that's the end of day 6. You already know what it is, man. It's a great day. Hope y'all enjoyed that footage. We in here eating. Little room service, little chicken tenders, little boy. Okay, you already know what it is, man. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell your mama, your auntie, your bald-headed granny, man. So y'all got something in common with everybody, man. You already know what it is, man. Bust that subscribe button down, man. It's free. It's free as hell. It's free. Until the next time, man. We out of here, man. Oh!